Alrighty, right. It is Thursday morning after the Fed meeting, and quite a run up into the close. That was pretty exciting. Um, and let's just take a quick look at the snooze. We got housing starts and building permits. That's all right. Jobless claims. I think that's what everybody's going to be looking at, counting claims. So around 8:30, we have a good bit of news that's going to come out and give us what's up. PMIs are important, but we know things are coming in hot. We'll see if they hit expectation. Couple of Feds speaking tomorrow, one Fed at least. I thought I heard that Powell was speaking again today, but I can't confirm it. But yet, you know what? I think there's strength in the market. Um, and we'll have to see what the culture is today if we have follow through. We're looking at the ES, which is up quite a bit, although it's very early in the morning. What time is it? It's about 5 o'clock. So you got 4 hours until it's 5:18, so about 4 hours until the market opens. And anything can happen in the future, so it's not really telling us anything. But if we look at this daily bar, that's a pretty strong bar. People are going to want to get involved with that. I'd like to see it follow through. Really, I'm neutral to bullish on the S&P. Breaking the highs, I will be bullish, and I think I have that high at around 743. So, I mean, if we're up 20 today, we're halfway there. But I think this is it. I think everybody will get comfortable. We'll start seeing that little bit of Christmas rally, and hopefully that's the case. I like the action that the momentum's putting in. We just need follow through today. We need to hold these gains, a little follow through. And then our next goal being 743. We'll test that. We'll watch it, see if we make a couple of tops. And if we break through it, then we're running. Can't really determine where we're going from there because that's a high, and it's hard to make targets off your high. If you look at the 60 minute, I mean, the 60 minutes just crazy, strong and running, and hooray, away it goes. The 10-year, it's interesting how it kept spiking yesterday, making these topping tails. Um, but you know what? I say bullish unless breaking this right here. Um, we'll be bullish above that line. But the daily momentum looks pretty good. Not as reactionary as I had thought, but, or I would have liked to have seen. Let's see if we could just break this high. Right now, we want to see it break the high of 1537. See, now if interest rates aren't rising with the knowledge that the Fed is going to raise interest rates, which will bring bonds down, then it's kind of telling me that there's a flight to quality. And bond traders are smarter than stock traders. So um, bonds are usually right. So I would like to start seeing this interest rate start pushing up. That'll give me more confidence in the economy. Otherwise, bonds are seeing something that we're missing. Um, they could be a little slow in reacting, but and if you look at the futures on bonds, the patterns do look kind of bearish. They have a trend line that they need to break, pretty similar to this and what we're looking at here. And if bonds break down like this, interest rates will go up, and that's what we want to start seeing. And the other important gauge is the VIX, this little vixen. Uh-oh, data troubles. Data. Yeah, there you go. Brava. All right, so we want to look that VIX made a little drop right there. Let me get rid of that cloud. Yeah, that VIX just kind of dropped off. Um, what day is that? Is that Today's the 16th, right? Yeah. All right. Cool. That's giving me today. So, all right. The VIX is down for the day. It'll probably pop up, close that gap a little bit, but that's good and strong. Look at that momentum coming down. That's what we want to see. We want to see the VIX floating down. We want to see interest rates floating up. That makes everybody comfortable. It just tells us that everything's sustainable. So, it's going to be interesting to see what our big boys do. Oh, look at Tesla. Look at Tesla. Um, because a lot of obviously these stocks are interest rate sensitive, the tech stocks, and that's a large portion of the S&P, and that's what's been pulling the S&P up for the past 2 or 3 years. Things are rolling over into these more defensive, more growth, more value securities, and that could probably move the S&P up so long as the tech doesn't take a beating. Otherwise, we're going to get a real choppy, real volatile market where techs take a beating, drag S&P down, and quality value stocks are being invested in and pushing the market back, and it's just going to be tumultuous. What I feel is going to happen is this soft landing. You're going to start hearing lots of conversation about that. I think that the Feds are going to ease those interest rates up appropriately, and it'll give quality tech companies time to adjust and acclimate. And I'm thinking that the tech sector is not going to be the rocket sector that we have seen for so long, and it's going to kind of evolve into a more of a growth sector, and it's going to be slow and growing. I think a lot of the volatility is going to come out of the tech, and it's going to grow slowly. I think we're coming into a time like back in the day when I got involved that making money in the market was just a slow, steady grind instead of these get rich quick um, um, hype trades. And a lot of these. What do you call them? They're not millennials, are they? Yeah, I guess they're millennials. A lot of these millennials are going to be shocked to shit because I mean all they've known is a bull market. I mean, I've worked with guys who have never known a bear market, which is crazy because when I came into the industry, every few years you had a bull market, you had a bear market. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting to watch what's going on. But look at this, man. Green across the board right now, looking good. TBT still offering you a very good opportunity to get involved. We're still looking for Tesla. I can't really get the data up right here. All right, that 5 minute. Oh, there's the 5 minute. Cool. Here's the 60. I mean, it's running. You're chasing it. It's popping here. You could play a break of yesterday's high if it doesn't open up there. It's going to be very hard to catch a trade, at least a swing trade. You probably have some good intraday trades going on. If you guys have traded with me, you know what a trend reversal looks like and what breakouts look like and stuff like that. And that's what you could look for with Tesla. You'll probably see the volatility. Amazon, I mean, it's making some moves. I don't know how much volatility you have. Everybody knows about the long-term picks. AMD looks pretty good. Diz, I love the Diz. Costco, if it trades back a little bit, Costco had a nice move, and it may do a little give back. So, oh, look at that. That's like the classic Z pattern. That baby looks pretty strong to me. Looks like she's on the upswing. Yeah, it's a nice flag right there. Nice bull flag breaking out over the highs. Yeah, this was a good pick. I'm glad I gave this to you guys. Hopefully some people took advantage of it. So, okay, anyway, I'm going to go. I need my second cup of coffee. I've been up all night. Just can't sleep. Can't sleep. Beautiful evening, too. It's just, I'm on the water. It's like glass out here. The sky was clear, man. I kept going outside and just chilling, checking out the stars. Bunch of pelicans around. There's some noisy birds too, pelicans and cranes. Not a lot of ducks around here, which I guess is good for the ducks because I love me some duck, man. So okay, anyway, I expect more of the same today. Move up. We'll see how it goes. I mean, right now, the futures are indicating that we're going to move up. So Everybody, don't overdo it, man. Stay, within your tolerance and your risk capacity. If you're feeling stressed or hung out over trades and you can't sleep, then you're over trading, man. Just cut it back. Go slow. This is slow. You make a lot of money when you have a lot of capital. You can't try to turn a little bit of money into a lot of money. So, you know how it goes, man. Everybody stays calm and cool. Be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.